Hey guys, welcome back for another shop spotlight. Today we're talking about Holly's Flower Shop. With over 25 years in the wedding industry, Holly out of Pompton Plains, New Jersey, started her shop in 2011. She has over 2,800 sales and 600 items in her shop. She's been featured on The Knot and The Wedding Wire and carries a wide variety of every flower you could possibly think for your big day. She's got bridal bouquets, boutonnieres, flower girl halos, which are just adorable, and corsages. So if you are about to walk down the aisle and are looking for flowers for your big day, I encourage you to give her a look. I'll leave you a link in the description below and you can check out her shop. As always, friends, thanks so much for stopping in today, and I hope you will give us a thumbs up and subscribe for future handmade shop spotlights.